Well. We finally broke the red streak. Let's go, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader here. It is Tuesday evening, March the 10th, and we were done trading this morning by about 11 o'clock and had a really nice trade. Why couldn't this happen last week? All I needed was a couple of these good trades, and we are not in the red that we were in, but hey, that is what it is. So basically up about 1,200 today, trading the Lucid account and these three Apex accounts. Looking at the week with today, basically 300 per account. And that brings the week, we're still red by a little bit, but we're down like $40 per account, except for the 92 account, which I had a double loss on yesterday. But nice comeback day. Very nice comeback day. Should be pretty short and sweet. So again, this morning I felt I was a little bit unsure of today, and I thought, man, I really have to just focus on the trend and try to find a good entry. And I was looking for a potential continuation breakdown of this level on the Dow Jones. Markets were starting to pull back right after the open. Got into a short position here, and once again, this looked good. But it was a little fake, a little liquidity grab, and we started to push higher. Got stopped out. Very frustrating because I was trying to be very careful. Excuse me. I was trying to be very careful this morning as I get into my position. So as soon as this started to rip, I realized that we're getting, the buyers are stepping in here, and we're getting a push higher on ES, we're getting a push higher on NQ. And as soon as this broke above this level and we got a wick test right at VWAP, I just went long. I said, screw it. I'm not waiting around. We're either this is going to go since we had a little fake out, or I'm just going to get stopped out and it's just going to be another red day. We had a little test, but that ended up being a monster, great trade. Got to my full profit target at 4R, so first half off at 2R, the final contract off here at 4R, and really for a net out 3R trade up $450 on this trade, and that recouped the $150 loss we had here, and turned the accounts green by about 300 on the day. So very nice day. Really happy with that. And yeah, I feel like I feel way better just to get that red monkey off the back. Finally put a green day on the charts, or on the on TradeZilla. So anyway, look at the statistics today. 1167, 50% win rate, 2.89, average win 446, and average loss 154. That's really what I'm looking for. If I set this to this week, you'll see this. I think it improves even more. Yeah, look at that. The average win is 4. The average win is still today's win. Here's how this works. I took 4 trades yesterday and took 1 losing trade today, so I had 5 losses, and the 1 winning trade almost makes all of that back. So again, the last week, I really just haven't been able to find very many winning trades at all, and that's been the downfall. So anyway, let's take a look at that setup. Let's switch this to today. Here's the setup that we had. Again, there you can kind of see it. So we got trapped there to the downside, and you can see that candle, wick holding, pushing higher, strong above VWAP, took the entry long, and it just ripped, and we had a beautiful trade. So very happy with that. So anyway, that's a pretty short and sweet update. That's where we're at for today. I just decided I was done after that. I was not going to continue to trade. Yes, I've got more accounts, but I needed to put some green on the charts, get some confidence back. And looking back on the day, that was probably the cleanest setup that I had on my strategy. Obviously, right here would have been a nice little trade, so would have been a little sweaty. Not quite as nice of a trade as what this first one was here in the morning. So definitely think that was the better move. So happy that I took that, and walking away green on the day. So feels great. So that's it. We'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we can repeat the process. That's the goal. Okay, thanks again for following along. Appreciate you guys. Until next time, take care, and so long.